Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic in terms of learning data science during COVID-19. Believe me guys, now is the right time and the best time to switch career into data science. And in today's video, we are going to discuss why I'm saying so. I'll give you 5 different reasons why right now is the best time to learn data science and switch as soon as possible. Let's go ahead. Each and every industry is majorly shifted to online. Even the industries which were not a part of online business are now utilizing the online shift due to COVID-19. The paradigm shift or the digital shift, as they say, has arrived, which was earlier thought to be later than right now. And every industry that you may think of, be it e-commerce or banking or movies or networking or insurance or consultation or advertisement, each and every industry that you think of right now has already shifted major part of their business into online and are potentially increasing the data manifold. Every day, more than 50% of the data is getting increased on each of these industry. We will see it in the last. Okay, going on to the next reason. The paradigm shift of the work culture. We all are working from home and remote working is a new thing. We all know, no other way than to let the employees work from home. So the trust is building among employer and employees. Without trust, there is no work culture. Okay, so that trust is getting better and better every day. And we all are getting benefited in terms of work-life balance. We are able to spend more time with our families, and we are finding more time to read self-help books. So this paradigm shift of work culture is being adopted. This paradigm shift and trust have made remote hiring possible since their own employees are now working from home. So the companies have started looking for the option of remote hiring, all thanks to digital shift. No monopoly of Silicon Valley. The global hiring will start soon. Okay, this is not what I am saying. This is what the survey agencies have already confirmed. Okay, no matter in which part of the world you live in, if you have the skill, you will get hired. This is for sure. How you benefit? More opportunities in your way. The global hiring will enable the small companies and startups or even the giant companies which were earlier hiring only in the Silicon Valley, they will expand their search to smaller countries and you will have more option than before. Okay, how company would benefit? The distribution of salary spent by company will reduce by more than 50%. This is what the survey agencies are saying. Okay, this will reduce the cost of the companies by 50% when it comes to the salary as well as the operating cost that every company bear. Okay, because of remote working, each and every employee they will hire, most of them would be working from home. Okay, with less amount to spend on logistics, office spaces, they will have better salary to offer. And that too, according to global standards, more than 90% of the countries are getting less than what the Silicon Valley are getting paid. So in that term, those companies are also getting benefited when the global hiring start. Okay, going ahead. No barrier on salary expectation. Yes, you heard it right. No matter from where you come from, okay, there is no barrier on salary expectation. If you have the skill, you can get whatever you desire for. Okay, and based on the profile you will be offered, and since your profile is getting considered for multiple location, the salary offered would also be better than your current one. Considering people from Asia and Middle East, this can increase manifold, but the only requirement is your skill should be up to the mark. Each company is looking to utilize machine learning and AI. Okay, so going ahead, the banking sector or the e-commerce or the insurance sector or the online streaming platform, they are looking to expand their machine learning and AI capabilities based on what their customers want to see, what they want to purchase. They want to answer these questions from the data, and this will happen only if they hire data scientists or machine learning engineer or any data or analytics professionals. Okay, and last but not the least, we all know that never in the near future we all will get this much time to spend on ourselves and to learn, to self-help. Okay, so let's utilize this time to learn, to grow. Okay, I'll be making videos on how to learn data science efficiently in my coming videos. Please subscribe this channel, hit that bell icon. I'll try to share my tried and tested methodologies and list of free tutorials from where you can utilize and learn without even spending single penny. And the things that I have mentioned in my previous slides, these things have been already proved. The percentage increase in the time spent across different platforms, be it video conferencing applications or fitness application or e-learning, each of these platforms has seen not less than 30% or 40% of increase in time spent. All this time that people are spending, they are generating so much of data that these companies need to invest to churn those data into useful insights, and that is the reason they're looking to hire data scientists. You have to be ready with your skills. The second thing, Zoom surged up to 141.69% during COVID-19. Similarly, Udemy, a learning platform we all know, has surged by 119.05%. Similarly, Netflix and Amazon Prime Videos, okay, similarly WhatsApp, more than 50% you can see. And not only that, there are multiple applications across platforms which has not only increased in the number of time spent or percentage of time spent, but also in the active user count. Thanks, see you in next video.